Hey guys, I'm getting ready to go down. I went for my morning walk this morning. Had noticed a tree that was across the path for our four-wheelers for our place to go deer hunting. So Seth had told me that it was down, so I thought I'll just take a chainsaw over there, cut it up, do my neighbor a favor, cut it up, and then I'm just gonna fill my chainsaw up, take the chainsaw over there. I'm not actually gonna do a lot of tree work. I just want to clear the path. And I'm surprised if my neighbor knew it. I know how he is. He would have probably already taken his tractor over there and just pulled it out of the way. But I'm just gonna go ahead and I tried moving it by myself. There was no way I could just move it physically without cutting it up into some smaller pieces. And anyway, thought I would just load up the four-wheeler with the chainsaw, and I would just go over there and see if I couldn't get that thing done today. Show you guys what we're doing along the way. I just put enough bar oil in it and enough fuel for this one little small job. That way I don't take my fuel with me. I'll take my chainsaw with me and get it loaded up. I really don't need all this stuff to sharpen it or anything, because it's just going to be a quick job. It's about to rain, so I thought I would get out there and do this morning, take you along with me, show you our trail. We got to keep this thing clean. Slick, isn't it? Well, I've been out walking this morning with Lego, and Seth had told me that we have a tree across a four-wheeler trail. So I loaded up the four-wheeler, got the I got the chainsaw on the four-wheeler. We're just gonna run up here and we're gonna see if we can't knock this tree off at least get this tree out of the trail. Lego's with me. You can see him, he's right there, all excited. Watch out, Lego. It's in the 50s this morning, and gonna run up here. It was raining, the rain stopped. Run up here and get rid of this tree in the trail real quick. The neighbor, he hasn't noticed it being down, or he'd have probably brought his tractor up here and drug it out of the way. But I thought I'll just bring the chainsaw up here and cut it. That way I can move it. I couldn't lift the whole thing without cutting it up. So I'm going to bring the chainsaw up here and we're going to see if we can't get this thing taken care of. Thought I'd bring you guys along for a project for this morning. It's crazy how the wind will blow and it'll knock down just one tree, and that one tree will be the one that goes across the trail that is the one that you have to move. Tree broke off. All right, Lego, this is as far as I'm going. So we've got this one tree, it's across the trail. Looks like the wind blew it down, just broke off, snapped off right there. It's a pretty good sized tree, probably about 8 or 9 inches in diameter. And so we're gonna just cut up some of these limbs and just pile them over here to the side, get them out of the road. Brought my chainsaw out. Get my chainsaw out, open it up. I've already put gas and oil in it at the shop, so I wouldn't have to haul it over here. Guys, I know I'm not dressed the way I should be, in shorts, no gloves, but I do have my safety glasses on. And I'm gonna see if I can't get my chainsaw started. Make sure my lock's not on. Okay, let me go, and I'm going to drag a couple of those just out of the way. died. All right, I'm gonna cut this one here up, right here. That's probably about all I need. I can move this one over. I can pull this one out. Pull it out of the road. Now we've got a clear path to go through for the four-wheeler. This one here's a little dangerous, sticking out in the trail. Pull this one over and just flop it over, get it taken care of. I think I can do that with relatively little effort. Get this one out of the trail. There we go. Now we've got the tree laid over there. We got the branches and everything laid over here. And that ought to have our trail cleared. Then we can come through here with the four-wheeler and not have to worry so much about it. And my neighbor, he wouldn't have to get out here and do this. So put the old chainsaw back up in its case. All right, grab my chainsaw, put it up here on the four-wheeler. Alright, take the strap. Go through my rack on the four-wheeler. Just to keep it from going anywhere. Make a little square knot on there. No big deal. And that's it. There you go, we all done. Just about all done, bud. start up this four-wheeler, and he's gonna get all excited again. All right. You ready? Come back and get the cameras.